Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hi there, Tony from the Acoustic Letter. Today is a very special day. I'm excited you could join us. We are here to not only unveil the vintage 1940s J35, give it a play, talk about it, see what Marcus did, hear what Marcus did. This is going to be a great day. So today, of course you've already signed up for the Acoustic Letter, and if you haven't, I'm sure you will shortly. Today we're going to look at this vintage 1940s J35 that, if you've been following, came to us in utter shambles. This guitar was cracked, unplayable. I don't even know if it had strings on it. It may have. The tuners didn't have buttons. It looked like it was at the bottom of a garbage heap. However, we gave it to our pal Marcus, and he had it for quite some time. You probably saw the little post where we updated you that he was working on it. Well, it's all reached completion. And here we have this beautiful, playable, vintage 1940s J35. An incredible instrument, a very rare instrument, and one that I would put on my top 10 list of probably best sounding guitars I've ever played. And this is a great instrument. It's a classic slope shoulder design, spruce top, mahogany back and sides, really great fire stripe pickguard, long bone saddle, bone bridge pins, nice fat vintage kind of clubby neck, open gear, 3 on a plate, vintage tuners, classic Gibson headstock. This guitar embodies all things cool about vintage guitars. Even the way it smells is incredible. And if you look inside, you could just see, like, I don't know, 60 plus years of playing and stuff in there. So what we're going to do is play this thing and sit back, relax, enjoy it. It's a great instrument, and I'm excited to play it, and I'm sure you're excited to hear it. So let's give it a listen. Thanks for checking out our very cool vintage 1940s Gibson J35. If you like this guitar, if you like guitars like this, don't forget to sign up for the Acoustic Letter, and please leave your comments, suggestions, and questions below. Thanks a lot.